Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's lesson is about counting in numbers from 21 to 30. Look at the pencils. There are two bundles of tens and one is the single number. And total number is 21. In second row, two bundles of 10 and two separate pencils. This makes 22. Two bundles and three pencils make 23. Two bundles and four separate pencils make 24. Two bundles and five pencils make 25. Two bundles and six pencils make 26. Two bundles and seven pencils make 27. Two bundles and eight pencils make 28. Two bundles of 10 and 9 pencils make 29. Now there are 3 bundles but no pencil. So it makes 30. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.